namin is the pistachio. And it was really good.
Very authentic po ang lasa niya. Very commendable.
And yung frozen yogurt from Creamery, better than the ones that I got from Paris.
I tried the matcha soft serve. I liked it. Tastes authentic.
Better than the
Yeah.
known brands.